So the size and utility of this lovely helicopter, unsurprisingly, has turned it into an export success story, with aircraft types being sold to Algeria, Chile, the Czech Republic. Number 2 going first, followed by number 1. They'll be coming back in to conclude this really, really well choreographed and well executed display. Readying then for their final bow, the 243rd Helicopter Squadron of the Czech Air Force. And our thanks to their crews, headed by the pilots, Lieutenant Colonel Petr Safarin and Major Antonin Petru, PhD.